Okay, hello friends, what's up? Here I am Coast of this side and welcome to another interesting episode of Plants and Life YouTube channel. So here in this video I am gonna show you how you can make neem oil solution for your plants. It will works as a pesticide. So before move on to that, I want to request you to do subscribe our channel if you have not do so. For making this, you have to use 10 ml of this neem oil. You can see here it's the name of neem medicine and you can get it in different kinds of name. It's very effective and it's totally organic. As it is totally organic, it has no side effect. So you have to use 10 ml of it and then use 1 teaspoon of hand soap in 1 liter of water. Mix 10 ml of this neem oil and 1 teaspoon of hand soap or hand wash and liquid hand wash. So you will get the solution ready for your plants and spray it in evening time. It will be so effective. Use it in every 15 days to get rid of every kind of pest attacks and different diseases. So guys, that's it for today. If you have liked, then please give a thumbs up and ask your queries in the comment section. So guys, see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.